And welcome back. Sorry I didn't have enough time to add this onto the retirement video. But this is the information to go over for your retirement project. So for your project, you should be completing either a PowerPoint brochure, commercial, your text talks about using, you can build a commercial, or a written report. You must include 3 to 5 outside sources. And just to show you guys, your text here has lots of great links that you guys should be checking out. So lots of articles already on retirement, videos on retirement, more articles on 403(b) plans. So if you're looking for outside sources, there's tons already found for you inside the text. So go use those. Okay, you don't even have to do your own Google search because there's so many articles within the text already for you. So use those. And then you must, oops, let me get back on this page here. You must cite those sources appropriately. We talked about EasyBib. I've said this over and over and over and over again. You guys are not experts on this topic, so you have to cite your sources and you have to do it correctly. So for this retirement project, you should be including the following information. You need to tell me all about the different types of retirement accounts, how they're set up, how they're taxed, how and why they're penalized. When should you start planning for retirement? What do you need to start considering about your plans for retirement? Why it's important to start early? What do you know about compound interest and how that's going to work? What's Social Security? How do you plan to use it? All that information. So again, your text says on page 14, I believe, it talks about, not 14, okay, 13. So you can do the brochure and talking about create a brochure for a person who's worried about having enough money for retirement. Okay, so you can follow these different types of scenarios, but each scenario you should still be including all of this information. Okay, that's what I'm going to be looking for as I'm grading this project. And same thing every time. I'm going to want, even if you do a PowerPoint, I need an introduction slide, a conclusion slide. I need supporting slides for each of the different topics that you're covering. I'm going to be looking, make sure you're spell checking, proofreading, make sure things make sense. I'm using the same rubric to grade everything. So you should be used to it by now. You guys should all know what I'm expecting from this project by now. So work hard on it. It's the last project you have before the final. So you're almost done. Keep trucking away and let me know if you have questions.